Now, the son of late former Zimbabwean President Robert Mugabe is expected to appear in court. Bellarmine, Chatunga, Mugabe and a co-accused are due before the Alexandra Magistrate Court following a shooting in Hyde Park, an upmarket suburb of Johannesburg. Police say a gardener sustained gunshot wounds during the incident last week and remains in a critical condition in hospital. The two suspects were arrested on Thursday and now face charges of attempted murder. Right now, News Central's Bongani Siziba is at the court with the latest development. Bongani, what has transpired so far in court?
Absolutely, blessings. It's a very good afternoon to you and also very good afternoon to our viewers. I'm still in Alex, where a high-profile case has just taken a new turn with two individuals, that is Bellarmine Mugabe and his co-accused Tobias Mugabe, who is also, I understand, is carrying the Mugabe name. They appeared today here at the court with charges that includes attempted murder, defeating the hands of justice and also possession of a firearm. But interestingly, blessings, despite these charges, the firearm in question has yet to be recovered, and news around is also that the gardener doesn't remember who shot him. So all this has complicated the matter, but however, this matter has been postponed to the 3rd of March for both accused to apply for bail. They all remain in custody as these legal proceedings unfold. But it's quite interesting, blessing. While this case behind the courtroom walls, lawyers and prosecutors are engaged in a heated debate of legal debate rather. Outside on the streets, across social media platforms, different kind of a battle is also ranging with public opinions that are deeply divided. So it's a battle between South Africans and Zimbabweans, with Zimbabweans saying that Bellarmine is their last born. We know that he's the last born of the former president, Robert Mugabe, so they are pleading for mercy, while on the other side, South Africans are saying he must face the law here in South Africa and he must be subjected to harsh punishment. So this is the battle that is there on the streets. But justice must take its course regardless of the background. So this case has become a litmus test for South African justice system, with a high stakes involved because he is a high-profile figure. But also earlier in court, we saw friends of Bellarmine who came to support him. However, we didn't see high-profile figures from Zimbabwe. That is the mother of Bellarmine or his uncles, or maybe his brother, that is Robert Jr. But however, earlier the proceedings were delayed because of a mix-up about the case location, but it was later resolved. But also his lawyer, Sinenhlanhla Mnguni, spoke to the media and said that when they come back on the 3rd, they are going to apply for bail conditions, not conditions rather, for bail, but also he indicated that consultations with his clients are done. So we continue to monitor this case here at Alexandra, where it's going to be on the 3rd of March, and bring all the updates for our viewers. Blessings.
Okay, very quickly, let's go deeper into the details. Has the prosecution provided any of the details about the motive or the circumstances surrounding the shooting?
Not yet, blessings. All we know is that, like I've said, that the gun is still missing, and also on the streets there are rumors that the person who was shot, rather the gardener, is now saying that he doesn't remember. So the prosecution has not said anything. We wait for the 3rd of March. But however, what we know is that the gun, allegedly gun that was used, is still missing. So this also complicates the case. But other than that, we know that the police say that they have the cartridges that they were picked on the scene. So we know that two people, that is because the other one we didn't know who he was, but today it was revealed that he's Tobias Mugabe, so which means he's also a Mugabe. So earlier on we had heard that he is the security guard, so we still don't know the details. Who exactly is he in the Mugabe family? But back to your question, the magistrate has not said anything. The lawyers of these two are going to apply for bail come the 3rd of March. Blessings.
All right, News Central's Bongani Siziba live in Johannesburg, giving us an update on the ongoing case where former Zimbabwean President Robert Mugabe's son co-accused and facing attempted murder charges.